Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing figure drawing, and what we're going to need is a piece of paper, charcoal pencils, a kneaded eraser. If you don't have these, you can use a regular pencil and a regular eraser. And if you have one of these guys, you can use these guys as well. They're just like little bendable posable guys. You can put them in any pose that you want. So let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to be doing our figure drawing. I have 3 pieces of paper here because we're going to be doing 3 different drawings. We're going to be doing 3 different poses. So we have a Pinterest board set up of different poses. You can choose whichever ones you want, or like I said earlier, if you have one of these guys, go ahead and use those. It's up to you. But we're going to start here, and my 3 poses are going to be 1 minute to start with, then 2 minutes, and then 3 minutes. So I think let's get started. So if you guys are doing this at home, I'm gonna suggest that you maybe like tape a piece of paper to your wall, because you're gonna wanna like hold your pencil like this up to the wall, use your whole arm to draw. I'm, for the sake of this video, doing it down on a piece of paper like this. But stand up when you're doing it and make sure you have enough room. And yeah, so let's get started. So for the first one, it's 1 minute, and I got my poses in front of me. So let's start. Okay, so I'm starting with the head, just a circle, and I got her neck right down there. I'm going very fast because I only have 1 minute. I'm just kind of drawing it almost like a stick figure. Her arms here, she's got a pole that's going down like this, and I see her waist, and it's more like this. Her legs coming out here, down, and we've got straight and down foot. Our arms coming up and holding this stick. And now I have a little extra time, so I'm gonna add some features. Add her leg, and maybe a foot here. She's got a dress that's going down. This is going all the way down. Got a little stick up here. Her hair. The more time I have, the more details I can add, but looks like my time is up. So that's all I've got so far. Now, it's okay if it looks like this. You don't want it to look exactly right. We're just trying to get the pose down. So if it doesn't look exactly like her, no big deal. So get rid of that paper, and we're on to our second pose, which is 2 minutes. I've got my pose ready in front of me. Let's go. Okay. So again, starting with the head, and getting her shoulders, her arms coming out like this, and bending at her waist. And her posture is, she's got really good posture. Leg, I can't fit her whole leg down to her foot on here, so that's okay. I'm just gonna cut it off. And her foot's kind of floating right there. And now I have time to start drawing some extra details. And so I'm gonna draw her shirt that I see. She's got a shoulder back here. Her shirt's kind of coming here. Her leggings have like a cool design. And I think we're almost done with the 2 minutes. I have more time than I thought. Cool. And I'm gonna look at the shadows. Wherever there's shadows, I'm gonna kind of draw that in. And notice I'm using the side of my pencil rather than kind of coloring it in like this. I'm using the side because it covers more ground. I can quickly do shadows that way. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just kind of doing as much as I can in the time that I have. And the more time we have, then we can kind of get into drawing dark things. There we go. Time's up. Okay. So as I was saying, the more time that we have, like we can do things like drawing lightly to start with, maybe her arm when it's hitting the light right here. We can draw it super lightly, and then on the other side of it, it's a little darker. We can really push that darkness right there. Okay, so the next one we're gonna do is 3 minutes. And I am ready. Yeah, okay. Okay. So head first. And this girl kinda has a lot of, like, her clothes are kind of enveloping her, I guess. It's like more clothes than we see her actual figure. So I'm gonna use the clothes to draw my like landmarks of her body. So like she's got a big puffy sleeve here. I'm gonna draw that, and I'm gonna look at the shadows more. And then the bottom of her dress. Her arm's kind of coming out this way. I've drawn her head a little small, so I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. You can see her shoulder is higher on one side than the other. And her hands coming here. She's got a staff that she's holding. And if you notice, I've drawn this leg darker than this leg because this leg's further in front. And so it's gonna be a little bit darker. I'm gonna start drawing her belts. This comes in a little, she's got a little of a hip pop. And let's start with her head. She's got like a headband on. Just gonna color that in a little. Her ears. And her face, I don't want to get too detailed. Usually our eyes are in shadow, so we can draw those a little darker. And then under the nose, maybe the side of one side of the nose here. And then her mouth, we only see maybe like the top lip because that's in shadow. And then let's get her collar in here. And I'm kind of drawing things darker to give them a little bit more emphasis. So the darker it is, the more it's gonna pop out. And we are done. All right, that's it. Those are our 3 drawings. And we're all set. So if you look at them in sequence like this, you can see they're getting more and more detailed because we've got more time to work on them. So obviously the shorter versions, they're gonna kind of look a little bit crazy, but the more time we take on it, the better it's gonna look. All right, I hope you guys had fun. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember to make your own choices when you're making your artwork. And as always, check out the website and the Instagram for more. Bye.